Welcome to the home game. Today's home game takes us to our very own bowling alley. You are going to need a ball or something that rolls relatively well and 10 makeshift pins to knock over. We've placed a notepad on the carpet just to help those pins balance. Once your alley is set up, you are going to take it in turns to bowl and knock down the pins. Add your points together to see who is the overall winner. When you're practicing on your own, see how many bowls it takes for you to knock down all of the pins and then try a second time to improve your score.